Please introduce me yourself.
Thank you for this opportunity to introduce myself. Good day, sir. My name is Jonah Alotaya Alcantara, 28 years old, married, and I have 2 children. I graduated at Isabela State University, Kawayan Campus with a diploma in agricultural technology.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
Yes, sir. I am a domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years with 1 couple and 2 children and 1 adult. And I am a sales lady at SM Department Store for 2 years and in Seoul Marketing for 6 months.
Okay, in your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will check the temperature of the baby, and if it is high, I will call my employer and ask their help.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, honest, and dedicated person.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for my family and for the future of my 2 children.
Okay, if you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My mother and my husband.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will call my family in the Philippines.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I wake up at 5 and I sleep at 11.
Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will stay calm and be patient all the time.
Do you accept no updates but to be paid by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And if the employer wants me to extend if needed, I will extend.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I got a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it's bite my finger. So which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir and ma'am. I hope you select me as your helper. I promise to do my household chores and I'll be a good person to you. And I promise that I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.